Okay, so this is how to make a handcuff restraint bracelet out of paracord. What you're going to want to get is about 4 feet of paracord, 3.5 to 4 feet. Fold it in half so both ends meet. So you have this loop at the end. Get a pencil, a dowel, or something to wrap it around. And what you're going to want to do is make a press-hook knot. So you're going to fold the loop over, pull the ends through, like that. Pull the ends through again so they're in the middle. And then one more time. Pull it tight, dress up the knot. Pull it together. Should look like that. See how it's all even. Then very carefully slide it off with your fingers, creating this hole in the middle. Take your two ends and very carefully slide them through the holes, like so. Dress up the knot so it's tight. You kind of roll it and move it. Pull it together. And pull the middle, roll the sides. So it ends up looking like this. And what you're left with are these two loops. Then you simply just tie an overhand knot on these two tag ends. You can do a decorative knot if you want, but I'm just doing an overhand knot. Then as you see, it slides down. And then when you put it on, you pull it and it becomes tight. It binds in the middle. Makes it really hard if you're cuffed up to get out of. And so if you want to wear it as a bracelet, you just slide it closed, put it on, slide it down all the way. Then you just wrap it around your wrist, tuck that in, and you got yourself a handcuff bracelet. To take it off, you just slide this knot. There you go. Now if you do both hands, it makes it really difficult to get out of. So keep that in mind.